Whoa, look at that, guys. Oh my god. Yo, the curry chicken looking rich. Nice and rich, smelling good. Oh my god. Yeah, man. So we have a good maybe 20 to 15 minutes left. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be cooking some curry chicken, with some boiled dumpling for breakfast. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man. So we're gonna add a little drizzle of oil to the chicken, and this gonna allow the seasoning to soak right on top of it. Yeah, man. So we're gonna start off by adding some hot curry by Grace, Jamaican style. You don't have to season your chicken with the curry powder. You can burn it as well. I'm gonna be doing both. All right. I like my curry nice and rich. Add some onion powder. We're gonna add some garlic powder. All-purpose Maggi seasoning. Not too much. We're gonna add some cock seasoning. Yeah, man. Add that Caribbean flavor, Add some chicken seasoning. Just a little bit, not much. Don't want to salt it, Gonna add some sazon. Just like that. And finally, we're gonna add some complete seasoning, guys. Just a little bit. Not much. And now you just want to give it a nice little mix. Season it up. Alright, so after you finish seasoning up the chicken, we're just going to set this aside and get the pan nice and hot. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man, so the pan is nice and hot, guys. So we're going to add some curry powder to the oil, and then we're going to burn the curry a little bit. And now we're gonna drop in the chicken that we seasoned earlier. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so we're gonna burn the chicken in the curry for about a minute per side. So we're gonna flip it over after 1 minute, and then we're gonna add some water with the other ingredients. All right, stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, so right here, so we have some scotch bonnet pepper, we have some garlic, grated ginger, some cucumber, some Irish potato, we have some thyme, bell peppers, onion, you see me I say? And we have some scallion. Yeah, so we're going to drop in all them ingredients there, just like that. And then we're going to mix it up, Mix everything together, guys. Yeah, man. And then I'm gonna add some water to it. Oh yeah. Now you wanna cook this, guys, for about 30 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Nice and soft, falling apart. Yeah, man. So now, guys, like I said, we're gonna let this cook for 30 minutes. Whoa, look at that, guys. Oh my god. Yo, the curry chicken looking rich. Nice and rich, smelling good. Oh my God. Yeah, man. So we have a good maybe 20 to 15 minutes left, you know, and then we remove it from the heat. So let's go and watch the video, guys. Yeah, man. So this is what your curry chicken, guys, should be looking like after about 30 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes. It should be nice and soft. Yeah, you want to cook your curry chicken about medium-high heat for like that 30 minutes, guys. Yes, guys. So we're at the end of the video right now, and I'm about to do a quick taste test, sample the food. You know, the dumpling. You know, so as you can see, we have some boiled dumpling right here, about four boiled dumpling. You know, and some curry chicken wings. Yeah, man. So we're gonna sample it, see what I go on. Mouth around water right now, you know, guys. Trust me. From morning, me I wait for this, you know. You just gotta rub up the dumpling in the curry gravy. Wow. Nice and spicy, guys. Hot. Look at that, guys. Falling apart. Food for eat, you know? Yeah, man. Real authentic Jamaican curry chicken, you know? This is so good. Yes, guys, trust me. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. You know, leave a like, share the video, and leave a comment. Yes, man, I say? Yeah, man. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.